Morning students. We started the chapter statistics, and under the mean deviation, I taught you the things that we have to find mean deviation from the mean and from the median. We started mean deviation from mean, and we already have done two sequences, individual sequence and discrete sequence. Now we will find the mean deviation from mean for continuous sequence. So I want to put a question because this all depend on direct example. So we are having the interval, definitely continuous sequence, you know it. We are finding what? Mean deviation from the mean for continuous sequence. This is a study. This is interval and this is a frequency. And the interval is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 50, 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. We are having here 2, 3, 8, 14, 8, 3, 2. So now what we will do? So it's nothing hard. I always prefer formula first to write. You know that mean deviation? It is summation of f dx upon summation f. Same formula. Mean deviation from mean for discrete sequence. We saw this formula. Same I am writing the formula. That very good thing for you that you need not remember formula again and again. Only one formula is using for both the sequences, for discrete sequence, for continuous sequence. So look at f dx upon summation f is a formula. Dx is very well known, x minus x bar. This is a mean because you are finding from the mean. So in case of from the mean, you will find mean and find your deviation dx, and you know the method now. So what you need finally? Mean. So we will find the mean from here. First of all, finding the mean, I tell you one thing. Mean is given by summation fx upon summation f. This study you have done in class 10th. Summation fx upon summation f. We will do. Look at it. First of all, summation fx upon summation f, you need a mid value. Mid value x. So how we can find the mid value? You add them and divide by 2. It's a 15, 25, 35, 45. This is the way. 15, 25, 35 to 40, 75. You have simply done here. Now what you will do? You need a mean. So first of all you will go with summation fx. Then f and x. Fx. So multiply it. One more method we have, if you can follow that. If you feel that your the term x is gonna be heavy, you can use a shortcut method, a plus summation f dx upon summation f. But you know that I don't want to tell you by the hard method. It's simple method. Go through this summation fx. Fx meaning 30, 75, 280, 630, 440. This is gonna be 150. 150. So first of all we'll find, again look at 30, 75. This is gonna be 63, 440, 195, 150. Now I'll add on. This is gonna be 11, 19, 22, 26, 35, 44, 5, 6, 10, 16 to 18. We got this one. Summation f 5, 13, 27, 35, 40. Like that. Now what is mean? 1800 upon 40, you've got 45. You got 45. Now what you will do? You, after finding the mean, you will find dx. Dx means in mod dx. You should know the meaning of dx. Dx meaning x minus x bar, and that is your x bar. So go on that. X minus x bar, know it. This is x and this is x bar. So go on. 15 minus 45, so minus 30, you will write only 30 because it is mod. 25 minus 40, it's a 20, minus 20, but you will write 20. Definitely 35 minus this is 10, 45, 45, 0, 45, 40, 10, 20 and 30. So it's very so-called thing it's coming. After finding dx, you will find f dx, you know, f dx. And your is f, this is, and dx is this one. So you will multiply 60, you will multiply this 60, you will multiply this 80, this is 0, this is going to be 80, this is going to be 60, and these two will be 60. So f dx you got it. Now summation f dx, you will add on. So it's going to be 6, 6, 6, 6, 38, total 38. Meaning 6, 6, 12, 20 and 6, 6, 12 and 20 and this 20 is 40, sorry. So 400 will be. Finally, after finding summation f dx, you can go directly MD meaning mean deviation, which is summation f dx 400, summation f 40. So it's your answer. Mean deviation will be your 10. Mean deviation is your 10. So I don't think it's a trouble. Only method is important. You know the method. For mean deviation, you need mean. For mean deviation from mean, you need mean. If mean deviation from median will come, as we are going to start right now, median needed. Okay. So let me wrap this and do the next question from your side only. We'll start. You know what we'll start? We will start mean deviation. Now we'll start our study with mean deviation from median. You know, and I'm taking which sequence? Individual sequence. Now we start for median. 3 questions we have seen from mean. Individual sequence for discrete sequence for continuous sequence, and now it's time for median. Mean deviation from median, we will look for individual sequence. And look at I tell you. Example number I have third. Find the mean deviation from median for the sequence 3, 9, 5, 3, 12, 10, 18, 4, 7, 19, 21. This is the question. I repeat myself that how we can do this question. First of all, you write this in order. And while finding the median, you know that the mean deviation from the median have a same formula, summation dx upon n. This time you will use dm, and this time dm will be x minus m, where m is a median. Now can you compare to the last formula and this formula? In last formula, where mean deviation from mean we had to find out, that time I took dx, x minus x bar, when x bar was a mean, and this time it is by the median, from the median, so you will find the median. So okay, find the median for this is very simple individual sequence, and you know how to find the median in class 10th, even you studied about that. Okay, so how we can find a median? For median we need to arrange the data in this ascending order, descending order. We choose ascending order. So okay, first of all I'll write the smaller one, which is a 3, then I'll write 4, 5, 7, 3, 4, 5, 7. Then after I write 9, 10, 12. 3, it was twice. Okay, I write twice, no matter at all, 3 and 3. And then 7, after 7 it's 9, 10, 12. Okay, afterward it is 18, 19, 21. 18, 19, 21. We have got it. We have got the sequence properly. Then after I'll find the median, in the sequence, can you think how we can find the median? Median depending on number of data. 3, then 6, then 9 to 11. When number of data is odd, in the sequence number of data is 11, which is odd, we can find directly the median. By what formula? N plus 1 by 2th value. N plus 1 by 2th value meaning 11 plus 1 by 2th meaning 6th value. 6th value meaning, can you catch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So 9 is your median. 9 is the median. Now what you will find out? Mod dm. What is mod dm? Mod dm meaning x minus m. It's very simple. Last time you found dx, which was x minus x bar. This time x minus m, because they're all about from the median. That's why. Okay. Now 3 minus 9 minus 6. 3 minus 9 minus 6. 4 minus 9 5. 5 minus 9 4. 7 minus 9 2. 9 minus 9 0. 10 minus 9. 12 minus 9. 18 minus 9. 19 minus 9 and 21 minus 9, it's a 12, and it was all in mod, that's why I took all plus sign. And then you add all, because it is summation, summation dm, so you add all 6, 6, 12, 17, 21, 23, 24, 27, 36, so 46 and 58. You got it, 58. Now answer is, mean deviation will be summation dm, which is 58, and n meaning number of data is 11, and approximately the answer is like that. 5.27 is approximately answer. So hope students you are getting it. It was not hard. It depends on median. If you know the median, you can find the mean deviation from the median for individual sequence. Now after, I'll go with the discrete sequence. Look at how we can find the mean deviation from the median for discrete sequence. I want to take one question so that you will be expert in that also. Can I search? Please wait a while. Okay, I got example of 50 case. It is x and f. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 15, 21, 22. It is a 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3. Now the question is, how we can find the median? So you should expert in that. How we can find the median? First thing, your data must arrange in ascending order, which is already been there. So corresponding frequencies are also okay, because we don't have to arrange your x. It is also already in ascending order. Now second thing, how we can find the median? It is containing not a particular formula, it is a just method. So for finding the median, we find CF, cumulative frequency, which is 3, 4, 7, 5, 12, 14, 16, 21, 25, 28, last term called 28. We find first the median number, which is n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2, median number, it is not a median. 28 plus 1 upon 2, 29 by 2, which is a 14.5 approximately. And C 14.5 falls under which in CF? Look at, I tell you again, after finding that 28, after finding that 28, last number called n, you find first median number, which is specific formula, not for odd, not for even, but it's a specific formula, n plus 1 by 2. Find n plus 1 by 2, use it and get your answer 14.5. Now look at 14.5 coming under which? It is coming just after 14, so it counts under 16. 14.5 is after 14, so it will count under 16. I will write, since 14.5 falls under 16 in CF, so that median we will say just opposite number, corresponding number in x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just opposite in corresponding value in x, 13 is called median. After median, m equal to 13, what you will find out, you should know the formula. What is the formula? What is the formula? Mean deviation have a formula, summation f dm upon summation f. You know, this time summation f dx, that what we studied in a previous one, it is f dm only, and dm is equal to, you know it, dm is equal to x minus m. So find first in next column dm, which is called x minus m. You know, x minus m. So this is x and this is m. Go on. 3 minus 13, 10. 6 minus 13, 7. 9 minus 13, 4. 12 minus 13, 1. 13 minus 13, 0. You know, it was a mod. I'm not taking minus sign. 15 minus 13 is 2. 21 minus 13, 8 I think. And 22, it's a 9. Minus 13. Now after finding dm, what you will find? One more column. It is f dm. So I write here f dm. F dm. Multiply. Then this is 30. This is 28. This is 20. This is 2. This is 0. This is 10. This is 32. And this is 26. Now I will add all 8 to 10, 7 to 9, 8 to 10, and 7 to 9, 19, 1, 4 to 6 to 8, 9 to 12, or 2, 14. So 149 it is. Now finally we'll use an answer. So summation f dm, you already got 149, and summation of f we got 437 for 12, 14 for 18, and for 23, and 27 and 30. So you got 30, and answer is approximately 5. 35 is a 50, 150. So approximately it is, I think, okay answer. Let me check. Yes, it's a 149 by 30, 4.9 something. 5 approximately is good answer. So this is what about only mean deviation from the median for discrete sequence. Okay, now student, we'll look for only one thing more, which is continuous sequence. So continuous sequence, now we'll study that. So let me write one question. For continuous sequence and under the median. We have a question. Example number 7. We have interval here and frequency here. This is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, to 40, 50, to 60. And f is 6, 7, 15, 16, 4 and 2. And question says find the mean deviation about the median. So student, now again I would speak one thing, that mean deviation formula is summation f dm upon summation f, no change at all. You know, and dm is equal to, you also know dm is equal to x minus m. So we need a median anyhow. So okay, how we can find a median? So first of all, you should know the formula for median. So median for continuous sequence, it is L1 plus n by 2 minus c upon f into I. This is a specific formula. N by 2 minus c upon f into I. So you need one by one all. First of all, you will find CF. This is 6, 7, 13, this is 28, this is 44, 48 and 50. This n will be 50. Try to understand the language. N equal to 50 you got. Then we will find the value n by 2. 50 by 2, 25. Finding this n by 2, we got 25. 25 falls under 28. So these three very important. Since 25 falls under 28 in CF, so this will be called a median class. Median class is 20 to 30. And F will be 15. F will be 15. Frequency of median class. Can you see the formula? L1, lower limit, 20. L2, 30. I is a range, gap, sorry, gap, 10. Gap 10. Now we have formula, we can find the median. L1 is 20, N by 2, 25, minus C. C is what? C is what? Just preceding value of that particular 28 which we got from there. This is called the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class, which is C. C is equal to 13. C is equal to 13. I'm writing here for you. This is C. This is C. Now, upon F. F is equal to 15. Already taught you this. Into your I is equal to 10. Now go on. 20. This is going to be 12. Upon, can you cancel by 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 4 2s are 8, and it's 28. We got M equal to 28. Now, after finding the M equal to 28, you will find DM. Yeah, with this formula is only here. So you will find DM now. DM now. So DM in the X minus M. You know method. DM. X minus M. So this is X. Sorry, X. We don't have X. We don't have X. First of all, we will find X. X is what? Mid value. 0 and 10, 5. 10 to 20, 15. 25, 35, 45, 55. This is your X. And after finding X now, you will find DM. DM meaning X minus M. X minus 28. So 5 minus 28 is 23. This and this will be 13. This and this will be 3. 35 and this gonna be 7. This 2 will be 17 and 27. You got DM. After finding DM, you need a FDM. So F and DM. So your F is this one and DM is this one. So this 2 will multiply 18, 130. This 2 will be 91. This 2 will be 45. This 2 will be 1 and 2. This 2 will be 68 and this 2 will be 54. Okay, now you will add all 9 for 14 to 16. This is 24, 28. This 2, 5, 14, 18, 19, 25, 33, 1, 4, and 5, 5 and 8. The answer is, where I will give the answer? I will give the answer right here. Can you see? Let me see that in video it is visible or not. Yes, it is bit. Can we move here? Can we move here? I'm writing here only. So mean deviation is equal to the formula is summation FDM, which already got 508, upon summation F, which is already got, sorry, we have to find still 13 from 18, 24, 28, 13, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 50. So we got 50. So we have an answer like 10.16. So this is the answer I got. Let me check that do I correct or not. Yes, it is correct. 10.16 is the answer. So hope student, we have done all the question of this particular which concern to the exercise. So examples we have done. So you definitely with the help of this particular you can do the exercise also. Thank you.